Okay, welcome back. Today we just received the 01 5G SA SIM card. As we all know, the 5G NSA network of Singtel, or its MVNO, will be ending soon. So they're actually sending out all the SIM cards to all subscribers so that they can actually tap onto the 5G SA network. Now let's see what's inside the envelope. Okay, I have the... Oh, here is the new 5G SA SIM card. So it looks a bit different from the previous 4G SIM. Design looks good. And over here there is another letter which actually shows you how you can actually go about activating this SIM card. So basically it says thank you for upgrading to the 5G SIM card, and I just need to scan this particular QR code and follow the instructions on how to activate it. So reconnect to the network with 5G Plus by scanning the QR code. So please ensure the old SIM remains in the phone, as a SMS verification is required during the activation process. So go to the activation page, enter the details and log in the account. So basically you will just need to actually follow the instructions to activate the 5G Plus on the new SIM card. So to enable the 5G, you will need to actually select the mobile services and then choose 5G standalone. Right, so not all phones will support the 5G SA, so you have to actually find out whether your phone actually supports the 5G SA network. Now before we change over the new SIM card, let's test out the current speed test result. Currently we are running the 4G SIM card on the Redmi Note 15 Pro. The 4G SIM card works on the 5G NSA network, serving as an anchor band, and connect to the N78 band on the 5G network. Now let's do a speed test on this old SIM card and see what is the performance like before we switch over to. And we'll choose the Singtel server. And let's go. So we are going into the 500s. Drop back to around 470. Okay, so we have a downlink speed around 466 megabits per second, and the uplink speed should be around 25 megabits per second. Yeah, around there. And it has a very good ping time of around 13 milliseconds. Now let's try running it on the nperf. We're getting around 351 megabits per second on average, or a maximum of 506. And for the uplink, you get around 33.48 for the maximum speed and averages around 30.07 megabits per second. The latency is around 51 milliseconds and average of 64. It is slightly more than what we get from speed tests. Now that's because speed tests and nperf test on different servers. So depending on what server you choose, the result might differ. Before you install the new SIM card, you actually have to follow the instructions given in the leaflet. So you need to actually scan the QR code that is available. So let's scan this. Open in browser. And it will bring us to this page. And the next thing we need to do is to actually go to the SIM activation page by clicking this. You have to enter the SIM card serial number or scan the barcode to initiate the activation process. And then you have to verify by SingPass, give your consent to 01, and then it will be activated. Now let's start doing it. It manages to capture the serial number. Now the next step, they actually show me the card serial number, the mobile number, the plan I'm using, and I can choose to verify with SingPass or by SMS. So let me do it with SMS and verify it. And the SIM card activation is complete. And you notice that the actual SIM card, the 4G SIM card, it goes into emergency mode, is deactivated immediately. And you can see that there is no internet connection. Okay, what we have done is that we have deactivated the old SIM card and activated the new SIM card. Now let's remove the old SIM card. And insert the new SIM card. You can see the signal actually comes back pretty fast. And you can see that there is a 5G plus on top. Now let's do a speed test and see what happens. You're getting around 400 over megabits per second, reaching around 500. It's going up to around 532 megabits per second. And the uplink speed is around 46, 47, 48. Around 47 megabits per second. And the ping time is around 20 milliseconds. You can see from mPerf, it shows that it's actually connected to the 5G SA network from here. So now let's run the speed test. It goes up to around 482 and around 90. Probably around 80 to 90. No, a max of 81 and an average of 71 megabits per second for the uplink. And the latency is much better, around 17 milliseconds. That's pretty good. Our results, you can see that the 5G SA network is slightly faster than the 5G NSA network in our tests. But this is again based on the location that we test. And for the 5G NSA network, it was running the B3 plus N78 combination. The 5G SA network was running on N78 plus N1 band, while the NSA network was running B3 plus N78 band. Both runs on 120 MHz of aggregated bandwidth. In conclusion, the 5G SA network does give you better latency compared to the 5G NSA. And of course, SA networks also consume more battery, because as 5G NSA networks actually aggregate more bandwidth from different bands, and that actually runs out the battery much faster than using the 5G SA network. Basically, this wraps up our review of this 5G SA network from zHow. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.